Good morning. I'm back. This is Sonali Sinha, an executive coach and leadership facilitator. In my last video, I had talked about the various stages of learning that we go through, and I talked about how important it is to realize the areas that we want to work on or change so that we can consciously embark on this journey of learning. I ended my last video by saying that in the next video I'm going to talk about self-awareness. So what exactly is self-awareness? Self-awareness is a conscious examination of our internal system of values, beliefs and goals to live by. Someone with an advanced level of self-awareness tends to become more purposeful, more visionary in their thinking, more resilient in how they respond to change and uncertainty. They become more welcoming of diverse perspectives, and they develop greater capability to resolve differences with others. They are basically more attuned to their own experiences and are open to feedback, and also have a greater capability of resolving the internal conflicts. So as you hear about what self-awareness is, you will realize how important it is for leaders to be self-aware. A leader needs to be purposeful, a leader needs to be visionary, a leader needs to have high resilience, a leader needs to be able to listen to different points of view, a leader needs to be able to resolve conflicts both internal and external. So you see how important self-awareness is for leaders. This challenging time, this crisis is actually highlighting the importance of self-awareness for leaders and also their ability to manage themselves. So what are some of the questions you need to be asking yourself as a leader of your business or your business unit? How am I ensuring that we are living our values and working towards our vision and mission? How can I declutter my life so that I can focus on the things that are important in my life and in my business? How are we collaborating with our customers and prospects in these challenging times? How am I creating opportunities to have deeper and more meaningful conversation with my teams, with my customers and other stakeholders? And how will I reinvent myself, my team and my business to deal with the challenges this pandemic is posing and to emerge stronger? These are some of the questions you need to be asking yourself as a leader. And if your level of self-awareness is high, you will be able to come up with answers much faster and much better. So what are the ways in which you can develop your self-awareness? I'm going to talk about two broad approaches. One is reflective practice. So taking out time to reflect on your experiences so you learn more about yourself and how you respond in different situations and whether it is desirable or not and how you would want to change it. The other approach is to engage with a coach, because a coach really asks meaningful questions which help you reflect on how you think, your beliefs, how you act, your response to various situations. So working with a coach can really accelerate your self-awareness because of the way it is structured. So these are a couple of ways that you can really use to develop your self-awareness, and I would really urge you to take out some time in this busy phase to really focus on this, because it is going to help you handle this challenge better and also emerge stronger for future challenges that life might throw at you. So with this I will end today's video, and maybe in my next video I'm going to talk about inquiry-based leadership that I touched upon today. So thank you so much for listening and hope to see you soon. Thanks.